So hello and welcome to my channel. So I'm Roy and this is Operation Overbuilt. If you don't know what I'm doing on this already, is I've got a 3D model of that Porsche GT3 RS Lego model and I've scaled it up 8 times, so it's 1:1, same wheelbase as the real Porsche GT3 RS. I'm going to be building it in this channel. I'm going to be doing it by the instruction booklet. I'm going to go out of sync on this one because this one is just going to show you literally what it's going to be like. That's the LEGO Technic one. Obviously the Porsche has just bowled over all those pins, and if that's got you interested and you want to follow this crazy build, keep watching. Forgot to put that there. So now try and get that off. Let's see if we can get it off with that. Not the easiest to take apart. So then that needs to go back on there now, so that's in the right place.
got one of them. Hopefully I don't need to stick a load of heat back on again in this one. Hopefully I just got straight on. No problem. Oh, give a bit of heat. Then we got these. And then that one goes in like so. And finally, this. Come on! You know where you want to. There we go. There we go. That's how dead easy. Ta-da! So I'm not gonna lie, that didn't go that didn't go together as easy as I thought it was gonna go. But look at it. Look at the size of that. I mean, compared to that, what I meant, it's ace. I mean, I broke one bit and had to use the heat gun on some of these parts. I mean, very tight fits, but you're using 8 times the forces of putting that together on this. I mean, it's gonna be the same on the rest of the car. So hopefully that it's got your imagination running to what this is actually going to look like when it's built. I mean, to say that we started off with one of these as a feasibility part just to see whether it worked or not, and then actually getting something like that. Got other parts, loads of other parts I'm putting together. So I'm currently doing the gearbox. So next week we're going to be looking at starting the gearbox. So look forward to that, and see you in the next one.